to our electoral law, the laws that we, in conjunction with Nigerians, that we made to guide our elections and our conduct, not the members.
Go ahead.
Mr. Speaker, my name is Honorable Ambassador Peter Ifeanyi Uzokwe. I still have the good authority of the Nnewi North, the Japanese capital of Nigeria, Nnewi South, and the Okusigo Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I am from Anambra State. Mr. Speaker, I want to first of all thank our leader for correcting something that we thought that is normal, and we do it every day. And I stand this afternoon, all of us to look at our electoral law 82(1). When we go out, the impression that people have outside is that INEC must be present in conventions and congresses of party, but it is not in our law. I will take our members to 82(1), and it reads, Notice of Convention and Congresses. 82(1).
Honorable Ifeanyi, point of order. I hope you are aware that we are in the process very soon to look at clause by clause all the relevant provisions and the amendments proposed. So I don't think, if in the light of what we have before us, we need to discuss anything about Electoral Act. You should wait until when those issues that you are raising are not addressed in the amendments that...
Your Excellency, what happened if you watch the televisions, you will see that these people are throwing our democracy into spanners that we cannot handle in future.
I believe, Honorable Ifeanyi, hold on, please. Wait until when the amendments are brought before us. If it is not captured, then you have every right to actually
it is an existing law, not amendment, sir. Let me read it so that you will hear it.
What
it is
I
not
am
an
trying to
amendment.
tell you, by next
it is
week,
not an amendment.
all these areas that are defective or are seen to be defective will be brought before us to finalize on them. That's what I'm saying, that any matter on Electoral Act, we should suspend until when we consider the amendments, and then we'll see whether there is need for us to actually look further into areas that have not been actually addressed. I think it is an area that we already agreed, both the Senate and the House will take a day, and it will be done concurrently, all the amendments. So unless if the amendment did not capture what you are saying, then you can come later on the privilege to highlight.
What? I'm recognized.
I have recognized Honorable
Mr. Speaker.
Order, please.
Mr. Speaker, I'm raising point of order on Order 8. Rule 6, personal explanation, and I'll read it down. By the indulgence of the House and the leave of the Speaker, a member may make a personal explanation, although there be no question before the House, but no controversial matter may be brought forward, or may debate arise upon the explanation. Mr. Speaker, this issue is controversial.
Well,
it is.
The determination whether a matter is controversial or not.
We cannot read the Electoral Act in isolation with the Constitution. We cannot.
Order,
Thank you so much for the explanation.
Mr. Speaker,
a matter is controversial or not, unless and until Mr. Speaker deems it so. But what I'm saying is that we should suspend talking about electoral issues, since we have a session that discusses exclusively on that. And it is coming very soon. I hope, Honorable Ivanyi, you have taken note of what I've said. We goes comprehensively on this.
Mr. Speaker, point of order. Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Let me recognize.
Order, please.
Please sit down, Honorable Ivanyi. Sit down, please.
It is so serious that it is damaging our reputation outside. And let me read it out.
Honorable Ivanyi, please, can you sit down? Be matured. You are a matured person talking with anger. This is a simple issue. You should be matured enough to know that this is a serious place. It's not a place for us to be exhibiting our own anger or temper over simple issues.
Order, please. Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, I want to correct the House and also the two movers of this point of order. They quoted order 8, that's personal explanation. Mr. Speaker, the matter that was brought by my friend, it wasn't a personal matter, it's a formal matter. A matter that is supposed to come under emotion.
It is.
We should wait until the reports submitted to the House so that we can discuss the matter.
That's what I was trying to guide
him. So, Mr. Speaker, in the first place, the chair is not supposed to allow him to talk past a formal matter as a personal matter, Mr. Speaker. That's the correction I want to bring.
Sometimes you give little privilege because you cannot be able to clearly demarcate personal and official matters in some instances. It could be something that affects him as a person, those issues, and you will have to allow him to actually discuss. But it is noted.
Mr. Speaker, point of order. Mr. Speaker, point of order.
The business of the day is
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Please, honorable colleagues, can we...
Order, please. Please, can we remain silent and...
can we bring a closure to this matter, please? What is the point of order? Who is raising it, please?
Mr. Speaker, and the one, sir.
Mr. Speaker, I want to correct the House and also the two movers of this point of order. They quoted order 8, that's personal explanation. Mr. Speaker, the matter that was brought by my friend, it wasn't a personal matter, it's a formal matter. A matter that is supposed to come under emotion.
It is.
We should wait until the reports submitted to the House so that we can discuss the matter.
That's what I was trying to guide him.
So, Mr. Speaker, in the first place, the chair is not supposed to allow him to talk past a formal matter as a personal matter, Mr. Speaker. That's the correction I want to bring.
Sometimes you give little privilege because you cannot be able to clearly demarcate personal and official matters in some instances. It could be something that affects him as a person, those issues, and you will have to allow him to actually discuss. But it is noted.
Mr. Speaker, point of order. Mr. Speaker, point of order.
The business of the day is
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Please, honorable colleagues, can we...
Order, please. Please, can we remain silent and...
can we bring a closure to this matter, please? What is the point of order? Who is raising it, please?
Mr. Speaker, and the one, sir. Mr. Speaker, I'm looking at the constitutional issues. When an issue comes before this House, and it is a constitutional issue.
Order what?
I'm looking at section 4 of the Constitution.
Go ahead. What are you talking about?
Order what? Section 4 of the Constitution,
order,
Mr. Speaker.
Order,
please. Mr. Speaker, I am seeking your protection. I am looking at the section 4. Order, this standing order is a statute. This is a grand law of the Constitution that brought us here. Standing law is a subsidiary legislation. Therefore, the Constitution supersedes the standing order.
Nobody is arguing about that. What is your point of order? Please, can you go ahead?
Mr. Speaker, I'm looking at section 4 of the 1999 Constitution.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, I want to rule why we are here. Why we are here. That is the laws that guide us why we are here. And when the issues of law are raised, Mr. Speaker, we are the makers of the law. We are the protectors of the law. and we are the amendments of the law. By virtue of 7th schedule that we are sworn in of the 1999 Constitution, the issue that were raised by Honorable Fanyi is an issue of law, and the House have the right to hear him out. That's my position, Mr. Speaker. Therefore, I'm coming under Section 4. Section 4 is Section 4. I want to read.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Joe,
Mr.
please,
Speaker,
can you sit
Section
down?
4.
Mr. Speaker, point of
Honorable
order.
Joe, please sit down. Nobody is saying that Honorable Ifeanyi does not have the right to speak on this subject matter. But my appeal to him was that rather than discussing about this issue, we should wait for the Deputy Speaker, who is going to bring before the Parliament a comprehensive amendment on. Please, can we sit down? Let's have order, please. Order, 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 order. Order, please. Order.
Order, please.
Order, please.
Order, please. Leader.